I've been playing around with Claude Code for quite a while now, and once you start combining it with AI video and AI image models like Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3.0, you can make some pretty amazing things. For example, I built this skincare product website. The visuals, the skull animations, the hero video, all of it was generated with AI in just about 15 minutes. And a year ago, this required designers, developers, a photographer, 4 product shots, and nearly an entire production team. Now, anyone can do this, and it doesn't matter what kind of business you are in, this workflow that I'm about to show you in today's video works for any website, any niche, and any product. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. We are going to build the website skeleton with Claude Code, generate every visual with Nano Banana 2.0, create the animations with Kling 3.0, and you can use both models now on Higgsfield. Check out the link down in the description below for Higgsfield and use all of our free prompts from our free school community. That link is down in the description below as well. But right now, let's hop over to the PC. Cool, so let's get started. I'm opening up Claude Code, and you can use it in your terminal, VS Code, or in the desktop app, like what I'm doing right now. I'm building a skincare brand website with bold colors, playful typography, Gen Z energy, you know what I'm talking about? And that's the kind of site that makes you just want to buy something before you even know what it does. So here's the prompt that I'm going to be using. I am telling Claude Code to build me a full skincare brand site called Glow Lab. Now watch how fast all of this happens, okay? The front end, the back end, the data systems, every part of our website literally gets built within just a few seconds. Now, let's take a look at what Claude has actually built for us. As you can see, the structure is solid, but it's all gray boxes. It's not a professional website yet, but it has a solid foundation on which we can work. Now, let's improve all of this. So basically, it has great bones, but it has zero personality. And this is honestly where you can make the most impact. Anyone can put together a decent layout, but the visuals, the hero image, the product shots, the animations, that's what makes someone stop scrolling and actually pay attention. Now, for generating all of the AI visuals, I always go for Higgsfield. The reason is that it's so simple to use. It has every major AI image and video model under one roof. So instead of just jumping between 5 different platforms, paying 5 different subscriptions, and figuring out 5 different interfaces, everything is in one place, making it so simple for me. And whenever a new model drops, like Nano Banana 2 or Kling 3.0, literally just shows up here on Higgsfield almost instantly. So you are always working with the latest and most powerful models without having to go anywhere else. The link is down in the description below. Make sure to check it out and to follow along. Now, we are going to generate a hero image. One stunning product shot that sets the entire visual tone for our brand. Then we are going to take that same image, we're going to turn it into a cinematic video loop for our hero section. Then we are going to generate a scroll animation, the kind that you see on Apple product pages where the video plays as you scroll. Yeah, that. And after that, we will fill in all the product shots, the ingredient visuals, and the extra details that makes the site feel complete. Now, every single one of these visuals is going to come from Higgsfield. So let's start. First up, click on Nano Banana 2 and let's generate the hero image. So I want a bold product shot, a glass serum bottle with lavender tinted liquid inside, sitting on a glossy surface with a colored gel lighting. Electric green on the side I'm going for, lavender on the other, I think that's gonna work, and some water droplets on the bottle, because you know that always sells it. Now, take a look at this. The lighting wraps around the bottle perfectly. The reflections are accurate, the water droplets look real, and it was just about 10 seconds. And it looks basically like I hired a product photographer to shoot this. I'm replacing the gray hero placeholder with this image before, and now this is the after. One image in and the site already feels like an actual brand. But I don't want a static image here. I want us to move. So the next step of our game plan is we are taking the image that we just created and we are turning it into a cinematic video. I'm opening up Cinema Studio inside Xfield. I'm uploading the hero image, that product bottle shot that we just created, and I'm setting up a slow cinematic orbit. The camera rotating around the bottle with a slight upward drift, and then we are going to hit generate. And look at that. Smooth 5-second video loop. The camera orbits, the light shifts on the glass, the reflections change. It feels like a real commercial already, and it came from the same image that we just generated about 30 seconds ago. I'm dropping this into the hero section as the background video. The bottle slowly rotates, the light dances across the glass, and 2 minutes in, and this already looks like the kind of site that someone would have paid a production studio to build. Now we go on to step number 3, and this is the part that takes the whole site to another level. I want a scroll triggered animation, not autoplay. The video literally scrubs forward and backwards based on how far you've scrolled down the page, like an Apple product page. That is what I call that premium feel that we are going for. For this, I need a specific kind of video, an exploding view. So think of a serum bottle that breaks apart into all its layers. The cap lifts off, the dropper separates, the glass shell pulls away, the liquid becomes visible, the labels peel off, everything drifts apart in 3D space. The best model for this kind of animation right now is Kling 3.0. So I'm clicking on Kling 3.0 inside Xfield, and I'm going to write a prompt that describes exactly that exploding view that I just described. You can grab the full prompt down in the description below in case you weren't listening. Okay, now let's take a look at these results. This one right here is by far the cleanest. The layers pull apart smoothly. Every time I see this, I still can't believe this works. Downloading this now, and we are going back over to Claude Code. I'm telling Claude Code to make this video scrub on scrolls, sticky positioning, scroll observer, section height controls, the playback speed, and done. Now let me drop the Kling 3.0 video in and refresh. Now take a scroll down with me, and do you see that? As I scroll down, the bottle breaks apart. I stop, what happens? It stops. I scroll back up, what happens? It reverses. You are controlling the animation with your mouse wheel. Cinematic hero video at the top, scroll controlled exploding view right underneath, and we are not even halfway through. Now, I need 4 product images. I'm back in Nano Banana 2, then first a moisturizer jar with Glow Lab printed on the label, actual readable text on the packaging. Watch this. Take a look at that. You can read the label, the font is clean and crisp, and that's the text rendering that I was talking about. Rapid firing the next 2, vitamin C serum bottle, a clay mask tube, and as you can see, it's the same exact quality. 3 product shots that look like they came from a real photo shoot. Now, watch what happens when I switch models. For the 4th product, I'm switching to Flux Context. 1 click, same platform, and I want something more stylized. An exfoliating toner with a, let's go for a holographic label effect. Now, I want you to take a look at the difference. Nano Banana gives you photorealism. Flux gives you style. You have to basically just pick the model that fits you best. Now, the last thing, the ingredient section. A close-up of the fresh botanicals, aloe vera, green tea leaves, citrus slices, arranged on a dewy surface with the same lavender and green lighting. The products in and the ingredients in. Now let me refresh. Now that's cool. Every section is filled, the hero moves, the skull animation works, the product shots look real, the ingredients section looks editorial, but the best part is we are not even done yet. Now here's a feature that is going to blow your mind. It's called shots. And no, I'm not talking about the song from Lil Jon. This is actually better. I'm uploading the image that we generated. Most product pages show one angle, and that, in my personal opinion, it just looks so lazy. Shots take a single image and it generates 9 different cinematic angles automatically. One image, 9 different angles. Or should I say, one image and 9 different angles. And I mean, you get the wide shot, you get the close-up of the cream texture, you get the overhead, the low angle, the detailed shot of the label, all from just using one picture. That used to require a photographer with multiple shots, and here you can do all of this in just about 10 minutes. And here you can do all of this in just about 10 seconds. I'm picking 3 of the best ones as detailed views for my product page. And there, I basically get an instant gallery from just a single image. Now I'm taking the serum bottle and I'm running it through a VFX preset 3D rotation. My static product image is now a cinematic 3D animation. The bottle rotates in space, it catches the light, it has depth, and just imagine a customer scrolling through your product page and hitting a card that does this. I guarantee you they are not going to be leaving. Now, one more thing that I have to mention, I'm generating UGC style content, the kind of videos that you see on TikTok where everyone is kind of holding the product and applying it, and then they're showing it on their skin and stuff like that. That authentic phone camera feel, except I'm not hiring a content creator. I'm just using Higgsfield's AI video generation. So a short clip of someone holding the Glow Lab serum, applying a drop onto their hand and smiling at the camera, natural lighting, casual and real. Now, take a look at this. It looks like someone filmed this with their iPhone. That's the point that I'm trying to point out here. This is the social proof that takes someone from this looks cool to I'm going to be buying this. And it's just about 15 seconds to generate. I'm dropping everything into the side, 3D rotation on the featured product card, the UGC clip looping in the testimonial section, and now let's hit refresh. Take a look at that. The featured card moves. The testimonial section has a real person using a product. Everything else is stunning and static. These are your eye catchers. These are the kinds of things that you want to have on your site. Now, the site is running 2 videos and a bunch of high-res product images. It's pretty heavy. If it's slow, none of it really matters. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going back to Claude Code and, hey, this is loading slow. Make it significantly faster. That's it. That's the entire prompt that I'm using. Now, let me refresh. And there you see it. The hero loads instantly, the scroll animation is smooth, there's no lag, the whole site feels snappy, and you can just keep doing this. If something feels a bit off, all you do is you just prompt Claude to fix it for you. Let's go into the last step, okay? I'm going to be telling Claude Code to deploy this to Netlify. Netlify is a hosting platform with a free tier that's genuinely free forever. Global CDN, no credit card needed. Claude Code handles the deployment. Just one command, and there you have your own live URL. 15 minutes ago, this was nothing. Now look at it. On the left, gray wireframe. On the right, the finished site. Cinematic product video hero. Scroll triggered exploding view powered by Kling 3.0. Product shots that look studio quality. A 3D rotating product card. UGC content in the testimonials, all cohesive, all stunning, live on the internet for free. Every single visual was generated with Higgsfield. 0 stock photos, 0 Photoshop. Whether you're launching a skincare brand, a supplement line, a candle company, you now have the exact workflow to build it. Every visual that you just saw, the product shots, the hero video, the scroll animations, the UGC clip, all of it came from one platform, Higgsfield. And Higgsfield's link is down in the description below in case you didn't hear me say it before. All the prompts are in the free school community, also in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video. And right now, I want you to check out the video that's popping up on the screen right now, and I will catch you on the next one.